Hello guys, welcome to our factory. My name is Jeff. It's my pleasure to introduce our machines for you. Today, I will show you our new design, the laser welding machine. It is very popular in the market. I will introduce each part of the machine for you. First, let me show you our laser head. Let's see these 5 model yellow parts. They are named copper align nozzle, flat angle, inner wrinkle, out corner, wire feeder, cutting nozzle. They will be used in different types of welding. It has wood pendulum with double axis, high-speed saw motor, imported hand chips. This is the water cycle structure, which can be cooled quickly. Look, here is vertical LCD, which can display the welding speed in real time. The black one is toggle button. Look, this part in my hand is handle grip. The last one is QBH protective shield. The overall structure accords with ergonomic design with multiple safety protection measures. Next, I will show you our control panel. The stop button, control system button, water chiller system button, laser system button, and Chinese famous brand Qilin control system. Now, let us open the cabinet door. This one is our laser source, and the following one is a water chiller. Finally, let's take a look at this small case, wire feeder. This is the control system. Wire feeder. Its function is to fill up the welding seam and make the welding stronger. This part is welding wire line. Its type is up to your welding material. It means if your material is stainless steel, the welding wire must be stainless steel too. That's all. Many thanks for your watch. Bye bye.